It's question 9. So it's saying, given the right triangle JKM, which correctly describes a location in relation to angle J. Okay, so I'm going to draw the exact same triangle here because I wasn't given the triangle. This here's a right angle. This is J. This here's J, K, and M. What describes the location in relation to J? So this here is J, right? And then this here is A, B, and C. So I need to know what is the hypotenuse, what is the adjacent, and what is the opposite according to J, right? So according to J here, according to this angle, I care about J, this angle here. Okay, so according to J, what are my things? So according to J, so angle J, that means I have A here would be my opposite, right? The opposite side of J would be my opposite, right? So here would be, according to angle J, A would be my opposite, right? Opposite here. What would be my adjacent? What's adjacent to J is this length here, right? This is adjacent to this angle here. So B here is my adjacent. And then C here would be the last one that's left is my hypotenuse, right? The longest side. So this is my hypotenuse. So this here, which means, and then I have to find which one's this one. A is opposite, B is hypotenuse, B is adjacent, C is hypotenuse. So let's see here. A is opposite. That's good. B is hypotenuse. Or no, B is adjacent here. Relation to angle J, right? Yeah. B is opposite angle J. Wait, this is relation to angle J. None of these answers are correct. Hold up. Let me see their solution here. The opposite side of the opposite angle is the side opposite to the right angle is the opposite side where the side is adjacent to the right angle. C is a right angle. C is considered the hypotenuse. That's good. But this is angle J though. This is angle J here. But they wrote A here. So I don't know what this question is asking in terms of angle J, because this here is angle J. So according to angle J, A is the opposite, but they're saying B is the opposite here. So maybe is this angle J here? Because B is the opposite, A is adjacent, and C is hypotenuse. So but this is angle M here. So I don't know what they're asking here. None of these actually solutions are correct here, but it's because this is angle J. So I think they either misread the question or what they did was they solved for a different angle. So I'm going to say here, angle J, none of the solutions are correct for angle J. However, if the question asked for angle M, option 3 would have been the correct answer. And this is kind of a formatting issue here, just because I know, or this is, and again, this is angle M, right? Or they wrote here this is B. Angle B would have, again, B would be the opposite of this, A would be the adjacent, and C would be the hypotenuse. So that makes sense. So I think the question should have asked in relation to angle M and not angle J, because angle J would have actually would be this answer here, opposite, adjacent. A would be opposite here. So in this case, none of these answers are correct. But I'm going to say here, angle 3 would be the option. So misleading question, or led to a misled answer. Specifically for angle J, A would be the opposite, B would be the adjacent, and C would be the hypotenuse. If angle J is on, so this is with angle J in the bottom right corner of the triangle, because that was what the angle was assuming. So I'm going to mark this as incorrect for now, just because I can notify OneClass that this here is a misleading question here. I'm going to say solution is incorrect.